Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I've been taking a little break, vacation, waiting for those subscribers to go up. For the cars and coffees, you guys seen I've done a lot of different things in the last 6 months. So the next 6 months are going to be a little bit different. I have been waiting for this package for a very long time, and it's actually for the daily. It's a package in a package. So this one is from Amazon, and I had to carry the daily, so I got myself some LEDs. So I'm going to show you guys how to install LEDs on the 2019 Nissan Versa. I know it's a daily, but for all the people who are new to the channel and maybe even want to install some LEDs or even regular light bulbs, I'm going to teach you that. So let's go out and hop in the car and get these swapped out. Alright, so back at the car, and we are going to switch out for LEDs. So first off, just gonna pull this off, right? That's the weather strip. Pop a key in there. Take that one out. Maybe take this one out as well, just so there's a little more playing for the carpet. I think that's it. And then I think when we go back here, no, right here. Maybe. Let's take this guy out. There we go. Pop it right out. So, yeah, those 3 clips. There's another one up here. 4. This could be for any kind of car, guys. As interior clips might be all different, but really simple how to change a light bulb. Is not that hard. Just carefully bend that back, and then it looks like we have some screws here to take the lens off. Now I think with the older cars, oh, shout out to So Scared for sending me this. This is a 10mm. Yeah, that's gonna do that. And then with all the cars, you could literally just take the backing off and then just plug and play like that. But the modern cars nowadays, you have to take off the whole light. So I'm gonna catch you guys when I get this off. Alright, so back to that whole entire modern technology thing. So it's just one connector in here, and just like the Fiats, it has a board. So I'm gonna have to get a Phillips and then take the backing off. At least this is Phillips. Fiats, they have a torque nut. So let's get this off. Alright, so it's gonna be a few screws. Walking back to the Fiat right now. Walking back to the Fiat. Walking back to the Nissan, correction. Which car am I going to? When you own so many cars, it's kind of like, what car am I working on? Walking back to the Nissan. I'm gonna take this off. So like I said earlier, this has the same exact design as the Fiat, where it has a board. I think this is a very cool way how cars do this nowadays, instead of just having a bunch of different wiring. Of course, it makes it harder for the Euro lights, because then you have to add in a whole other switch for things, because the board is only meant to go one way. But I'm gonna take all this off and meet you guys back at the Nissan. Alright, so that's our motherboard here. Don't want to lose my screws. So the culprit is going to be on the top. So see, I'm going to put you guys down and see that. Alright, so I'm plugging this lens here. You got to push in and twist. So you can see that it's kind of wore out, which is a little weird. We're looking at the soldering points. What usually happens is that they're not making a connection anymore, and that can be why your brake doesn't work anymore. But this one looks like it was only on one side, so that might be like why it was only working when the lights were on. And then that's a reverse light, I'm pretty sure. In case you guys don't know, can't remember which one goes where, you can always look at the tail light. Blinker, reverse, brake. So this is the top one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So this should be it. So we're going to plug in the light bulb and then test it out. Ooh, she is golden. Those are bright. Alright, cool. So that one's working like I said. That one is working. That one's super bright. So I'm going to get a little comparison, guys, right now. Put this in, show you guys a quick comparison, and button it up. So actually just figuring out, guys, you don't even need to unplug the lens from the back housing. You can just take the 4 screws out and then change the bulbs if your desire, and then put it back and screw it all back down. And guys, that is it. Super quick 5-minute job replacing the bulbs. So just a quick recap: 10mm Phillips and a flathead. You don't even need the flathead. Use your keys, pop everything off, take the little board out, take the bulbs you desire. Either it's going to be brake, reverse, or blinker. You can use all of them to LEDs as long as they fit your appropriate vehicle. For my car, I forget the sizes of them, but they were the LEDs. So I went with the bright brake lights, and I believe they are strobes as well. So it gives a flash, flash, flash. So of course, let those tailgaters of mine know, hey, I'm stepping on my brakes. So really quick, simple job, guys. If you need any more help on any kind of cars, comment down below. I'll try to go out and do some research for you guys, maybe even like trying to find those kind of cars. You can also work on cars in the junkyard to practice on, of course. You don't even have to buy the parts. Just head over to your local junkyard, take some tools, rent some tools, find some tools. They sell them at the junkyard as well. And learn over there. That's how I learn. I'm learning by how you guys are learning, watching YouTube videos. And of course, it's in the family as well. That's it for today's video, guys. As always, stay safe and stay chill.